How to change your profile on Spotify. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to change your profile on Spotify. First thing we're gonna do, go to Spotify and then click here to go to the settings. And now all you need to do is just click here on your profile and then click this one and then click here change photo and then click choose photo and choose any photo you want and then just click here and click save. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.